So for this graph, we want to write the domain and the range. And we're going to write that in interval notation and then decide if it's a function or not. Okay, so domain on a graph is left to right. And remember, I want to bear in mind that even though it's not shown here on the graph, that there's really arrows on the ends of this graph, and it goes up and up and up forever, and I can see that this thing is actually going to get wider and wider. So for the domain on this, going from left to right, it will eventually take on every single negative number and every single positive number, even though I can't see it. So for example, this right here goes to, say, -2, and there's a dot on the graph. -3, I can follow it down, and there's a dot on the graph. But even if I pick something way out here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and follow it down, it's not on the screen yet, but it will be eventually if I follow this line straight down. So this is another way of saying that it's all real numbers, from -infinity up to infinity. Okay, now, so the mistake that some people will make is that they'll only want to go from -2 to 2, only use the pieces that they can see. That would be wrong. Don't do it. Okay, for the range, again, we're going all the way down and all the way up, picturing that the graph has arrows and it keeps going. So from bottom to top, it's again all real numbers from -infinity all the way up to +infinity. And then finally, is this thing a function? Yes, this thing is a function because it passes the vertical line test. If I were to draw in any vertical line in this graph, it would only ever cross the graph once. So the answer on this one is yes.